Today I'm going to present to you on my FYP project, which is to create a real-time taxi monitoring system. Basically, we have developed two systems. One is to run the background processes that streams data from the LTA API, and the second system is to show the collected data onto interactive charts. The page that you're looking at right now is the home page of the second system. As you can see, there are four main modules in this system. The text below is the summary of the functions for each module. So let's explore the system, starting with the map page. Okay, this page shows all the available taxis in Singapore on the Google map. We have split the Singapore map according to the urban locations using the KML. We have made some slight changes to the KML, that is the color of each polygon. Each color represents one region. Orange for the north, beige for the northeast, dark blue for the east region, sky blue for the central region, and green for the west region. We have changed the markers to cluster markers with respect to 4 colors. The red for 1 digit, pink 2 digit, and so on. So you can click on the markers to zoom in. Of course, you can still use the mouse wheel to scroll in and out. And you can also use the search box above and enter the location that you wish to look at. So, yep. It will focus on to the location that you have searched on, and so that basically shows all the functions for the map page. Now moving on to region. So this region page will basically show you the total number of available taxis based on region to location. When you mouse over on the donut chart, it should show you the total number of available taxis on the covered region. You can click on the donut chart to drill down to all the locations within that region itself. So now you see the total number of available taxis within each location. And when you mouse over, you can see the location of each bar. If you do not like to view the data using bar chart, we have also implemented the line graph below. When you mouse over, similarly, it will show you the total number of available taxis and the location at the bottom. You can click and drag to zoom in. It's very fun. So when you have zoomed in too much, you can just click back on show all. It will just revert to the maximum data that it should show. You can also use this to zoom in, click and drag on the bar. Yep, So you can try to play with this line graph. It's very fun and pretty. So the tabs over here is the table legend that shows all the locations within the region itself. Yep, so that's all for region page. Now we will show you the statistics page. Yep, so this is the statistics page that shows the trend for the Bishan area. If you wish to compare between locations itself, you can click on the locations over here. Then you can mouse over and see the number of available taxis for each location. So let's say if you do not wish to view on Bishan anymore, you can click on the box over here and it will filter out Bishan and left with the Kallang location over here. Similarly, you can just click and drag to zoom in and drag this to change the time frame. Yep, so that's all for the line graph. We have also built in the search function. So you can choose to select the location that you wish to view on. So enter the time frame. Click on search. Yeah, so it will this time round populate a bar chart for you. When you mouse over on each bar, it will show you the total number of available taxis for the day. Yeah, so you can see that there is 7,989 of them on 16 March. Yes, and there is this figure on the right. It changes along when you move to the different bars on this chart. Yep, so that's all for the statistics page. Now moving on to the last page, which is the archive. So this archive page shows the table of the critical locations of the day. As you can see, Central Water catchment area does not have any taxis at all. And so goes to Marina South, Western Island. So the users can, based on this table, to reallocate the taxis probably from the east region to the central region and so on. Yep. Similarly, there's this search function that you can use. So you enter the time frame that you wish to view on again and enter the value that you think that it is enough taxi for the day. So let's say I think 100 is more than enough. I just click on the search button and it will show you the taxis that has less than 100 available taxis within the location. And if you wish to, if you do not know what's the below value, you can just leave it and click on search. We just populate the whole top 5 poorest performance location. Yep, so that's the end of the entire system. I hope you like it.